Samantala, pinalaga ni Senator Rodante Marcoleta ito pong pagsasampa sa kanya ng kaso ng Ombudsman kaugnay sa mga tinanggap niyang campaign donation. Naniniwala ang senador na bahagi ito ng pananakot at panggigipit sa kanya at handa raw siya itong harapin. Nagbabalik sa detalye sa report si Mar Gabriel.
If the intention of these cases is to silence me, let me say this at the very beginning. It has failed. I will not be silenced.
Duda si Senator Rodante Marcoleta sa intensyon ng reklamong isinampalaban sa kanya ng Field Investigation Bureau ng Office of the Deputy Ombudsman. Noong Biyernes, sinampahan si Marcoleta ng plunder at 3 counts ng indirect bribery kaugnay sa 75 million pesos na campaign donation. Naharap din sa parehong reklamo ang 3 donor, kabilang si dating Congressman Mike Defensor, Joseph Espiritu at Aristotel Viray. Sabi ni Marcoleta, questionable ang timing ng pagsasampa ng reklamo.
The complaint arrived while the Senate is confronted with uncomfortable truths, namely, the pending continuation of the investigation of the anomalous flood control projects, the constitutional burden of an impeachment trial, and the growing pressure upon this institution to surrender its independence through political maneuvering disguised as constitutional reform.
Sabi ni Marcoleta, handa niyang harapin at sagutin isa-isa ang mga isinampang reklamo sa kanya. Wala naman daw itong sapat na basihan at ebidensya.
Before the Filipino people, I must say what is plain. A complaint without nexus is not justice. A complaint without evidence is public injury, official favor, corrupt consideration, or abuse of office is not accountability. It is machinery. It is pressure. It is a warning shot fired at those who refuse to kneel.
Sa harap nito, iginiit ng senador na hindi siya titiklop at yuyuko sa mga nasa likod ng panggigipit sa kanya. Hindi rin daw siya mananahimik sa pagsisiwalat ng katiwalian at katotohanan.
Madam President, kaya po ba nila kong ipakulong? Kayang-kaya po nila. Kamakailan lamang po, hindi pa nagtatagal. Dito rin sa bulwagang ito, somebody said, sometimes you need to bend the law to be able to please the people. Am I right, Mr. Secretary Remulla? Secretary Remulla, then Secretary of Justice, now Ombudsman, said loudly, yes, sir. So pwede na nang baluktutin lahat, kagaya ng pambabaluktot na ginawa nila. Pero sinasabi ko, Madam President, they can imprison me, they can arrest me, but I tell them, they still will not win. Itaga nila yon sa bato.
Mar Gabriel, para sa mata ng agila, matatag, matapang, matapat.